Samsung says it's investigating those Galaxy Fold screen problems. Following reports from reviewers earlier today that the Samsung Galaxy Fold seemingly has a durability problem, the South Korean electronics giant has offered an official statement on the matter, promising to thoroughly inspect the offending review units in question. A limited number of early Galaxy Fold samples were provided to media for review. We have received a few reports regarding the main display on the samples provided. We will thoroughly inspect these units in person to determine the cause of the matter, reads Samsung's statement. While one report has noted a review unit with a faulty hinge pressing against the screen from the inside, it appears the most common cause of damage may have been due to the removal of a protective layer of plastic on top of the device's display, which some reviewers have mistakenly identified as a regular, and removable, screen protector. Samsung's statement continued. Separately, a few reviewers reported having removed the top layer of the display causing damage to the screen. The main display on the Galaxy Fold features a top protective layer, which is part of the display structure designed to protect the screen from unintended scratches. Removing the protective layer or adding adhesives to the main display may cause damage. We will ensure this information is clearly delivered to our customers. The company has reportedly replaced most of the broken review units, so it will be interesting to see whether the problem disappears now that reviewers know not to strip off that protective layer from the